Last video we had seen what is Python. So let us do a quick and friendly review of what we have seen in the last video. So if you see what is Python, Python is a very high level dynamic object oriented programming language. And Python is easy to program and read. So Python is similar to Perl, but with high typing and object-oriented features. So why Python is similar to Perl is the reason is this Guido van Rossum, who is the developer of Python programming language. So he is also involved in developing the Perl language. So he is one of the member who is involved in developing the Perl language. That is the reason why Python is little bit similar to Perl, but it has powerful typing and object-oriented features. Next, if you see Python, the quality of software quality of Python is generally it is better than the other things, other programming languages in the world of scripting. And if you see, Python code is typically one third to one fifth size of equivalent to C++ or Java code. That means there is less to type, less to debug, and less to wait time. So Python for a particular task, if you are using Python, Python uses less number of lines of code when compared to other programming languages. So why? What is the reason? Is because Python has so many functions, okay, so many libraries within it. That is the reason Python uses less number of lines of code. Because in the coming updates, you will see how it is possible, why it is using less number of codes and other things. Okay, and Python can run unchanged on all major computer platforms. Like we can run Python in all computer platforms like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, and other things. So everyone can use Python, install and use Python. And Python comes with a large collection of pre-built and portable functionalities known as standard libraries. We have so many libraries. So an example, if you are if you want to do arithmetic calculations and other things, you have a library called as uh, NumPy. For scientific calculations and other things, we have something called the SciPy. For doing visualizations, we have something called as Matplot, Seaborn. Okay, so to work with Excel spreadsheets and other things, we have a library called as Panda. So not one, two libraries. We have so many libraries in order to work with the machine learning, deep learning, and all. We have a lot of libraries in Python. Okay, and and if you see Python, because of these built-in tools and all, Python programming become more pleasurable case. And yesterday we have discussed in the last session how to install this Anaconda Navigator and all. I hope you have installed. And next, Python, it is invented in early 90s by Guido Machine, and it is named after. So why Python is named as Python is not Python is not literally snake Python, guys. So there is a comedy show in UK with the name Monty Python, and would have presumed named this programming language as Python because what is his intention is he mean to say that Python, working with Python programming language, we have a lot of fun. That is the reason. And it is a open source. Python is an open source. Everyone can download, and it is a integrated language as well as and many of the companies uses this Python language. Okay, so you have YouTube using Yahoo, Dropbox, Google, and other things. And if you see what are the various traditional uses of Python or what can be done using this Python programming, you can do internet scripting, you can do web applications. Okay, you can do system utilities, you can develop database programming. So you can connect with different data sources and work with different sources. Okay. And next, you can develop GUIs, graphical user interface. You can develop mobile applications as well as you can do image processing, analyzing the image. You can work with artificial intelligence. Okay. You can develop AI-related applications. You can also work with embedded system. We have something called as Python interpreter, which deals for embedded scripting. Okay. So these are the various traditional uses of Python. Next, timeline of Python programming. So you have Python 1.0, Python 2.0, Python 3.0, and latest you have Python 3.13. Okay, so we will work with Python 3.13 version mostly. And let us continue our journey about Python programming. Okay, so what shall we do is we shall now see what are different data types in Python and what are the different data structures in Python, and we shall see one by one about them.